Hello buddies, I'm Nonit and today we will talk about the Agni Prime missile. So let's talk about first why news. As you know कि DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization, actually DRDO successfully test fired the Agni Prime missile from APJ Abdul Kalam Island, and which is in Balasore, Odisha. Remember that it is a two-stage solid fuel because it actually helps to control the missile. And remember that it is a new generation and nuclear capable ballistic missile. So what do you mean by the ballistic missile? Ballistic missile, there is a trajectory. So let's say it is from here to, then it went to the here. So it is a kind of the surface to surface missile. Actually it is a kind of, and that is known as the ballistic missile. And remember that it is an advanced variant of Agni missile. As you know, we will talk about the Agni missile. And it is a canisterized missile. So canisterized missile, what is the canisterized? It is basically a cover and which actually put on the missile, on which helps to actually transport the missile either by the railway, either by the bus, or from somewhere. So it actually just like a mobile cover, it is also a missile cover. So that missile which covered by the cover known as the canisterized missile. And remember the range is very important. Range from the 1000 to 2000 kilometer. High accuracy. Why high accuracy? Because there is a various telemetry and some parts actually put on the different alongside the missile, and this Agni Prime missile actually point out that, and that's why it is a high accuracy missile, Agni high accuracy missile. And it is a new system which has been inducted in the composites propulsion system. There is a innovative guidance. Another is the control system is very effective, as it is a two-stage solid fuel. So this is all about the Agni Prime missile. We will talk about the Agni missile and Agni series. Now let's talk about the Agni missiles, which is a series. So remember that the first Agni missile which is launched in the 1989, and remember this, it is a kind of ballistic missile. So these all missiles are the kind of ballistic missile, and it is a medium up to the intercontinental range. So from the medium to intercontinental range, and comes under the integrated guided missile development program, and this has been given by the legendary APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So this is and remember that it is all the nuclear capable surface to surface missile. So now there has been a 5 series. If you talk about the Agni first, then it is a medium range ballistic missile from 700 to 1200 kilometer. Agni 2, medium range ballistic missile from 2000 to 3500 kilometer. Agni 3, it is an intermediate range ballistic missile, so 3000 to 5000 kilometer. Agni 4, intermediate range ballistic missiles, 3500 to 4000 kilometer. And as you know कि Agni 5, which is the most advanced intercontinental ballistic missile, so 5000 to 8000. And there is obviously Agni 6 will come then, and if you're talking about Agni 6 will be from 11,000 to 12,000 kilometer will be the range. If we talk about the Agni 5, then it is a very advanced missile and nuclear capable. So it is a 3-stage solid fuel Agni 5, and 50 ton has the payload capability, means it can take a missile up to 50 ton. It has the capability to take payload up to 50 ton. And so what happened before this Agni? What is the shortcomings in this, and what are the main drawback of the Agni 1, 2, 3, 4? Actually, it doesn't cover the all of the Asia or even the northern China as well. So now we can say that Agni 5 missile can target all over the Asia and even half of the Europe. So this is all about the Agni Prime and Agni missile series. You need to remember Agni Prime because it is new, specifically the range launched by the DRDO, and it is a nuclear capable. These 3 points you need to remember that, and it comes under the Agni and integrated guided missile system. So thank you guys, hope you like this video. You should subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.